Homemade pregnancy test with soap and shampoo. In this video, we will discuss. Curious if you're pregnant? Buying a pregnancy test kit may not always be convenient. So what if there was a way to check at home with items you already have? How homemade tests work? These tests are based on detecting the hCG hormone. When a woman is pregnant, her body produces higher levels of this hormone, which may cause specific reactions when mixed with substances. Why choose natural pregnancy tests? Natural pregnancy tests are 1. Affordable and easy to perform. 2. Helpful in situations where a test kit isn't available. 3. Made with readily available household ingredients. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Please continue watching. 1. Soap pregnancy test. What you'll need: 1. A small piece of soap. 2. Water. 3. A plastic cup. 4. Morning urine. Method 1. Start by mixing soap and water until you get a bubbly solution. 2. Collect a sample of your morning urine. 3. Now, add your urine to the soapy mixture. For the best results, the recommended ratio is 1 part soap to 3 parts urine. 4. After mixing the soap and urine, let the mixture sit for about 5–10 minutes without stirring or disturbing it. Positive results: the mixture bubbles up more and changes to greenish blue. Negative results: the mixture does not change. There is no excessive bubbling or color change. 2. Shampoo pregnancy test. What you'll need: 1. Morning urine. 2. 2 clean containers. 3. Shampoo. 4. Water. 5. Stirrer. Method 1. Pour your morning urine sample into 1 container. 2. Mix water and shampoo to create a soapy solution in the 2nd container. 3. Add a small amount of the urine sample to the shampoo mix. 4. Gently stir it together, but do not shake or overmix, as this could create misleading results. Positive result: frothing or foaming on the surface may indicate pregnancy. Negative result: no change suggests you may not be pregnant. Why tests reliable? DIY pregnancy tests are fun, but not 100% reliable. Factors like ingredient quality, incorrect measurements, or hormone variations can lead to inaccurate results. There are several other DIY pregnancy tests using ingredients like sugar, toothpaste, salt, or vinegar. However, none of these methods have scientific backing. The only reliable way to know if you're pregnant is to use a proven method: an over-the-counter pregnancy test, a blood test, or an ultrasound.